1. Nonverbal communication. It is interesting to note that nonverbal communication is used both intentionally and unintentionally. Most people do not have perfect control over their facial expressions. We all have heard an unprofessional comment and raised our eyebrows in response, regardless of whether or not it was wise to do so. By learning more about how we use nonverbal communication, you will be better able to master yours and ensure that you are conveying your message exactly the way you wish to. Facial expressions. We often use facial expressions as a way to communicate that we are listening and engaged with the person speaking. A smile, furrowed eyebrows, or a quizzical expression all convey information to the speaker about how you are responding to their conversation. They work to help grease the conversation, keeping it going without having to interject verbally to confirm your continued interest. If you have ever spoken to a stone-faced person, you will know how important facial expressions are in a conversation. Posture. How you position yourself during a conversation is important. If you angle yourself towards the person with a relaxed and open posture, you invite them to engage with you more fully. Leaning back, crossing arms, or turning away from the speaker conveys a very different message and not a positive one. Just as no one wants to have a conversation with the back of someone's head, talking to someone with an extremely closed posture creates a more difficult and unpleasant conversation. Gestures and physical touch. Depending on the person and their country of origin, they may use gestures and physical touch a lot, or almost never. However, there is a lot of information conveyed in these actions. A gentle touch on the arm can signal encouragement, while an overly strong handshake can be an act of dominance. Someone fidgeting with their hands while talking to you about a problem can signal guilt or avoidance, and using many grand gestures while presenting an idea could convey excitement or confidence. Eye contact. We all know the importance of eye contact. When someone is unable to maintain eye contact, we take this to mean that they are being untruthful, shifty, or not paying attention. Being able to maintain eye contact while listening will ensure that the speaker knows that you are present and engaged. While speaking, it shows that you are connecting with the listener, and in cases where you are delivering unpleasant news, is doubly important. Being able to tell someone an unpleasant message while looking them directly in the eye shows that you respect them and are an honest and sincere person.